If Telegram is showing the unable to play video issue, or you can hear the sound but the video won't load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Telegram videos working again on desktop and on Telegram web. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's start with the first and often most effective fix, clearing the app cache and restarting Telegram. Open Telegram, go into settings, then tap advanced. From there, select manage local storage. You'll see an option to clear all cached data. Go ahead and clear it. This can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing the video playback problem. After clearing the cache, don't just leave Telegram open. Make sure you completely quit the app. If you're on Windows, right-click the Telegram icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen and choose Quit. This is important because simply closing the window may not fully restart the app. Once it's fully closed, open Telegram again and test the video. If the issue is still there, move on to your network and connection settings. Sometimes Telegram videos fail to load because of a weak connection, a restricted network, or a VPN interfering with media streaming. Try switching to a different internet connection, such as mobile data, another Wi-Fi network, or a more stable home network. If you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and check again. In some cases, firewalls or network restrictions can block video playback, so testing a clean connection can make a big difference. Now, if you are using Telegram web in a browser and the problem is happening there, especially if you can hear the audio, but the screen is blurry, frozen, or not loading correctly, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration in your browser. Hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with video rendering on Telegram web. To do that, open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Turn it off, then restart the browser completely. After that, go back to Telegram web and try the video again. If the issue continues, log out of your Telegram web session and log back in. This can refresh the session and clear temporary browser-related glitches. If logging out and back in still doesn't solve it, try opening Telegram web in a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, test it in Edge, Firefox, or another supported browser. Sometimes the issue is browser-specific, and switching browsers is the fastest way to confirm that. So to recap, clear the Telegram cache, fully quit and reopen the app. Check your network or VPN. Disable hardware acceleration in the browser if you're on Telegram web, then log out, log back in, or switch browsers if needed. These steps solve the Telegram unable to play video issue in most cases. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.